Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and that's they call it Saiva block in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, July the 22nd, 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles in this additional: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. And the last puzzle I will do for today is the Jigsaw Sudoku number 8949. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But the publishers indicated with a 4 star Sudoku. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Yeah. Here dual box, there dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here, 4 or a 5. Same with the other side. This box is always 4 or a 5. Near the middle box. Okay. Then my next question is, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me start with a T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1, but also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. All right, the T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yes, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have the L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Yeah. Let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Let me think. 4, 5. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 4, this box can be 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes are left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there. So 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 3 and a 4. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2. Alright. Well. I think this box should be a no, 4 and a 5, yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. Taking too long. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this cross area are the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, but also this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left on 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Yeah, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Thinking. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2 or 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. Should be a 4. Can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then these 3 boxes can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. Should be so 3. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. Can be 4 or a 5. We have a double 4 there, double 5 there. Yeah, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 and 4. We have 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. What's happening now? These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This can be 3 anymore, okay. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4 need to wait. 1 and a 2 need to wait. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and we need a 3 here. We have a 3 here, so this box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 5, so the 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2 and the 3. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. That means that this box can be 2 and more. We have a double 2 there, so this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes in there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area, from was 2, and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2, yeah. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 to 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished. 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes, but we solve it again. We solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.